just gonna throw a few things into my bag and then we're gonna head out to the railway station. It's gonna be such a beautiful train journey. I've honestly never been to Murdeshwar via train, but this time it's gonna be beautiful. So yes, I'm very excited. I'm looking at the phone because there are a lot of messages coming through. But yes, so I'm just gonna go get ready quickly and we'll head out. I'll see you guys when either at the railway station or when I'm in the train. We'll see. Okay, so we have arrived at the railway station finally, and it didn't take too long, but yes, now my father's just gone to find out which platform our train is going to arrive on. So yes, we have all the luggage over here and it's going to be such an amazing journey. I'm so excited. So yes, I'll probably just get inside the train and then talk, or I don't know when, but I will catch up with you guys. I'll let you know. Getting the luggage downstairs is the hardest part in railway stations.
So after that, we just boarded the train and started our journey to Murudeshwar. The night was pretty chilled out because there was not much to see or do apart from just listening to music or reading a book. So yes, I did that, and then we just had dinner and fell asleep, and then we started off with a new morning.
Can you see that, guys? It's just pitch black. Okay guys, Murdeshwar has been pretty much a successful journey. We are almost there. We just left Urvi station on the train, that is, and I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying just standing by the river and speaking because it gives me a better view of the outside, and there are not too many people walking around as well. So yes, the weather is just beautiful. It's just been amazing. I just can't stop reading about the weather. I know when it's pleasant, I just have to talk about it. And when it's hot, then it just ruins my mood. But yes, just even outside. Oh my god. This is absolutely fabulous. So we are here in Murdeshwar. As you can see, the station is just a tiny little one, and it's so cute. And our train is going away. The train's going ahead to Karwar. Goodbye, train. Okay, it stopped.
let me give you an overview. So there's the Gopura. There's a facility where we can actually go high up in an elevator to the very top and see the view of the entire place. Over here, that is the gigantic statue of Lord Shiva. And it's absolutely beautiful. Trust me guys, in the night it looks so much more stunning. Due to a lightning strike, the arm actually broke off and fell down and they had to reconstruct it. But yes, it just looks good as new. Let me take you guys around. And voila guys, look at that beautiful view. Okay guys, so here's a quick little room tour. This is the door, looks like this. And when we enter over here, we have a little living room area with chairs and a table. I love having areas like this. When we move inside, we have the bedroom. There's a big bed, lovely and spacious. That's the washroom. We have a TV here, and that's me. Hello. And this is the balcony, and stepping out of which, it's huge, as you can see. It's going to be beautiful. And when we turn around over here, oh my god guys, oh my god, look at that, look at that, just miles and miles and miles of sea. I love views like this. I wish I had a house which faces the sea, you know, a sea facing house someday, hopefully. And down here we can see the pool. This is another part of the hotel. And yes, that is the room tour. Right now we are going to head out and go have some lunch. I will catch up with you guys at the restaurant. And here we are guys. Clearly don't know what time it is right now, but we are heading to the temple and it just looks beautiful right now. Day has been pretty chilled out so far. Took a nap, took a shower, watched the sunset, and now we are just gonna take a stroll. I feel so much more refreshed and nice now. Now I will show you guys the view. This is the Gopura that I showed you people in the morning, and turning around we have Lord Shiva over there entering the temple. Basically those elephants were the one focus, yeah, beside which I would sit and chill over here when I was like probably 6 months or 1 year old. gonna call it a night now. I'm just gonna go to the room and chill. Tomorrow's day is also gonna be so much more fun because we're gonna go to the beach and also on that Gopura at the very top or back. So yes, I guess that's about it. If there's any other update, I will let you guys know. For now, I'm just gonna go to the room. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit, hopefully.